is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Annandale, Virginia, and the homeowner has a roof leak next to the Skylight, and he would like an estimate for roof repair. Now, the homeowner tried to stop the leak, and I give him an A for effort, and here you can see he spread some white caulk on the roof because the leak is directly below. Now, I wanted to show you something. Here's one reason. There's a nail exposed in the step flashing, so when it rains heavy, the water gets in through the key, leaks through the side of the nail, and then the water will always settle at the lowest point. And they did this on both sides of the Skylight. Now, when you troubleshoot a roof leak, you don't always look directly above the area. You have to check all the flashings above, because any flashing above can also attribute to this leak, because the water, like I said, will always settle at the lowest point. Now, also, I checked this valley because it's in direct alignment with this leak. And when I lifted up the shingles, you can see there's no nails fastened anywhere near the valley center line, so that's good. Flashing here is good. That's not attributing to the leak. Now, let me show you this valley. This valley is in direct alignment with the leak as well. Now, let me check this one. You can see there's a lot of play here. So there's no nails fastened too close, so that's good. This valley's good. I checked the flashing here. This Skylight, there's no nails in the flashing at all on either side of the Skylight. So whoever did this Skylight is not the same roofer that did this one. This guy was good, this one was bad. So what we need to do is just take up all the shingles completely around the Skylight. Any flashing that's damaged can be repaired or replaced with new. And then we're going to fully adhere the ice and water shield to the plywood completely around the Skylight, and then we'll re-shingle this area. Also, we're going to scrape off the old caulk here where the glass and the metal frame meet, and then we're going to seal it with polyurethane. Yeah, so with this leak, we target it from every angle, and once we're done, this leak is in the past. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair, roof replacement, and gutter and downspout replacement in Annandale and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.